Stuart is just about getting her stuff going.
How's your package?
Still packaged. Get your helmet.
Thanks. That's eco-friendly, bitch.
So as you can see, I am suited up and ready to go. Last thing I need is my gloves, my helmet's on, all this gear. I don't know what any of it does. Get ready for a freaking awesome adventure. This is the 6-person bridge. It's a little shaky. Just want to prove to you guys I'm willing to do whatever. Fall on piranhas. Just a little taste of Costa Rica.
Oh, jeez.
So now I'm in queue in the Congo to take my first pass on the zip line in the trees, the canopies of Costa Rica.
Alright, this is cable length 123 feet, 43 feet high, 21 kilometers. And she's off!
How do you feel?
I'm balling in the jungle.
I'm
Balling in the jungle.
on a pulley.
Balling in, I'm on a pulley, yo. I'm on a pulley, yo. That's what.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. Ice cream cake. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. As we go through the jungle. Uh-oh. I see another tourist.
They're everywhere, damn it.
Tourists are everywhere. This is also the place where they filmed Congo, the movie with Jennifer Lopez with like the 50-foot snake. Oh, we've reached civilization again. So we've done a couple practice ones. Now I'm headed to the 3 big ones, the scary ones. The other ones are like pieces of cake, so let's see how I do on the 3 big poppers. Okay, so that was today's adventure. Now we're gonna go take off all this gear, grab a beer, and chill out. Super Stu, out for the day, or until 5 minutes later when you see me actually drinking a beer. Peace!